Pose left, draws for your lead, running in second by Darrell, moving up. King Rick, then Ori outside Puma, followed by Lola Curry, and trailing the group is Fireworks. As they race towards the last 800, Pose left in command by Abaranek, running by the rail is King Rick, racing in third Lola Curry, then racing in fourth Puma, and a long way back to Fireworks as they round towards the last 450. This one, Pose left, now by 3/4 of a length lead over number 1, King Rick. Then racing in third is entry number 3, Lola Curry. By the rail is Fireworks Puma. And down the stretch they come, Pose left. This time by about 4 lengths. Running in second is King Rick, moving up by the rail Fireworks. Lola Curry with 100 to go. It's all Pose left. From start to finish, second King Rick, Lola Curry, then comes Fireworks, and Puma comes in last.